Starting a business can be a great way to achieve financial independence and create something that is uniquely yours. While there are many factors to consider when starting a business, choosing the right location is one of the most important. South Carolina is an excellent state in which to start a business, offering many benefits that make it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. Let's discuss about benefits of starting a business in South Carolina. 1. Low cost of living. South Carolina boasts a low cost of living, which can be a huge advantage for business owners. Rent, utilities, and other expenses tend to be more affordable in South Carolina compared to other states, allowing business owners to stretch their budgets further. 2. Business-friendly environment. South Carolina has been ranked as one of the most business-friendly states in the country, thanks to its low taxes, minimal regulations, and pro-business policies. This environment makes it easier and more cost-effective for entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses. 3. Growing economy. South Carolina's economy is growing at a steady rate, thanks to a thriving manufacturing industry, a burgeoning technology sector, and a diverse range of other industries. This creates opportunities for entrepreneurs to tap into a growing market and find success in their chosen field. 4. Access to talented workforce. South Carolina is home to many highly skilled and educated workers, thanks to the state's excellent universities and colleges. This means that entrepreneurs can access a large pool of talented and motivated employees, which can help them grow their businesses more quickly and efficiently. 5. Beautiful environment. Finally, South Carolina is known for its beautiful environment, with miles of beaches, lush forests, and plenty of outdoor activities to enjoy. This makes it an attractive place to live and work, which can be a big draw for employees and customers alike. If you are interested in starting an LLC in South Carolina, the following guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step in starting an LLC in South Carolina is to choose a name for your business. The name you choose should be unique and not already in use by another business in South Carolina. You can check for name availability by conducting a search on the South Carolina Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you will need to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or business that is authorized to receive legal documents and other important correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in South Carolina and be available during normal business hours to receive correspondence. Step 3. File articles of organization. Once you have chosen a name and appointed a registered agent, you will need to file articles of organization with the South Carolina Secretary of State. This is a legal document that formally creates your LLC and includes important information such as the name and address of your LLC, the name and address of your registered agent, and the name and address of your LLC's members. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. Next, you will need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is a unique identifier that is used to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online or by mail. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it is highly recommended that you create an operating agreement for your LLC. This is a legal document that outlines the rules and procedures for how your LLC will be managed and operated. It can help prevent disputes among members and provide clarity on important issues such as profit distribution and decision-making. Step 6. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain licenses and permits to operate legally in South Carolina. You can find out what licenses and permits you need by visiting the South Carolina Business One-Stop website, which provides a comprehensive guide to the licenses and permits required for various types of businesses. Step 7. File annual reports. As an LLC in South Carolina, you are required to file annual reports with the South Carolina Secretary of State. These reports are due by April 1st of each year and include information about your LLC's members, address, and registered agent. Step 8. Comply with tax requirements. Finally, you will need to comply with all tax requirements for your LLC in South Carolina. This includes registering for and paying any necessary state and local taxes, as well as federal taxes. You can find out more about tax requirements for LLCs in South Carolina by visiting the South Carolina Department of Revenue website. In conclusion, starting an LLC in South Carolina can be a great way to take advantage of the state's business-friendly environment, growing economy, and access to a talented workforce. By following the steps outlined above, you can start your own LLC in South Carolina and begin building the business of your dreams. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.